What made this tennis star ditch her former fiancé and childhood sweetheart? Some say it was cross-border intervention. Sania is now engaged to former Pakistan cricket captain Shoaib Malik, and the two will be signing a nikah-nama in the months to come.
Game, set a match, India.
The bride says Sania Mirza is no stranger to male attention. In 2008, a young man from Bangalore turned up at Sania's home and threatened to take his own life if she did not marry him. Sania didn't budge, and her father called the cops on the unwanted visitor. The episode proves that emotional blackmail is not the way to win Sania's heart, which means that Shoaib Malik must have used nothing more than his charm to bowl her over. This apparently isn't the first time Malik has made romantic forays on sporting enemy territory. He allegedly met another Indian girl, Aisha, on the internet. There were reports of them getting married, but Malik later denied having any relations with her whatsoever. Aisha's father had even threatened to sue Malik for abandoning his daughter. The last high-profile cross-border cricket love affair saw the glamorous Bollywood actress Reena Roy marry Pakistan's chief selector Mohsin Khan. The union even melted the heart of military dictator Zia-ul-Haq, as he affectionately gave Roy the title of Pakistan ki Bahu. The couple may have gone their separate ways, but not before they took the concept of cricket diplomacy to a whole new level. Malik's scorecard now has 2 Indian girls to its credit. For Sania's sake, let's hope he doesn't go for a hat trick. Anam Munir, Dawn News.